Turning now to the latest on the vaccine front here along the Central Coast tonight. Monterey County has received a little more than 17,000 vaccines. Santa Cruz County has more than 10,000 and San Benito County has 1,300. Central Coast health departments are focused on getting through phase 1A, which allows healthcare workers and paramedics to get that vaccine. So what happens next? KION's Alicia Machado spoke with local health officials to find out their plan to get the vaccine to a larger population and what the challenges are. Alicia?
Well, Veronica, I'm told that Santa Cruz and San Benito counties are about 2/3 of the way through phase 1A. Next comes phase 1B, which opens this up to a wider group, including frontline workers and the elderly, which also increases the scale. So Dr. David Ghilarducci says that health departments will have to get enough staff and space to vaccinate.
In the United States, at least, our only path out of this is going to be through vaccination.
Central Coast health departments are looking to the vaccine to get the pandemic under control, but it will take some time and planning to get these shots to a wider audience. They're still in the first phase of vaccine distribution, and counties are hosting clinics to get healthcare workers, dentists, and paramedics vaccinated. As health officials look to the next steps, Santa Cruz Deputy Health Officer Dr. David Ghilarducci says the department is considering using the Santa Cruz County Fairgrounds and Flea Market in SoCal as potential drive-through vaccine distribution sites.
We need large parking spaces for this because we'll have lots of cars coming through, and then they have to sit for 15 to 30 minutes afterwards and be monitored just in case there's any kind of allergic reaction.
The next phase would allow people 75 and older and frontline workers in education, food and agriculture, and emergency services to get the vaccine. But the health department will have to get through some challenges to get there, including having enough staffing. Dr. Ghilarducci says the department is asking for help from the federal government.
Have a vaccination team actually come to the county and help be able to do this. This is going to become even more important as we get into phase 2 and phase 3.
And in Monterey County, a different issue. The health department is reporting that some residents who are not healthcare providers are scheduling vaccine clinic appointments. Healthcare workers reportedly shared the vaccine invitations with family and friends.
Ultimately, at some point, this is going to have to be on the honor system. We won't have a way of verifying if you're an agricultural worker or if you fit in some other category. We will probably ask people to attest that you belong to a group.
Dr. Ghilarducci says they are not wasting any doses and have at times opened up the vaccine to people in lower tiers of phase 1A if they have enough at clinics. The vaccine is still not open to the general public at this time. Monterey County says a portal should be open up later this week where people can find out more information about these vaccine distribution efforts and sign up for those alerts there. Reporting live in Watsonville, Alicia Machado, KION News Channel 546.